Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video again. If you're a returning person or if you're new, thank you, welcome. Here I do my own nails. I usually do them as press-ons because it's easier instead of trying to configure my hand the right way, but every once in a while I like to do them on my nails. So you will be seeing that. But that was what the nails would look like. And here I'm starting from the middle of the process because my files got corrupted as per the last video, which is the other hand of like the matching set of these nails, which they don't match, which was the point. So if you haven't seen that video, go ahead and click it and watch that after you finish this. I'm a Hello Kitty person. I have 3 Hello Kitty tattoos. I've been loving Hello Kitty since maybe, I don't know, early like 2000, so like 2005 onward, maybe earlier than that. I think before that was Tweety Bird, but I've always been into cute kawaii like things, pastels, and I try to grow up, but I never really do. So yeah, I have 3 Hello Kitty tattoos, so I try not to OD on the Hello Kitty, but you'll see it because I do. And what about it? As a YouTuber I watch says. Anyway, I drilled the nails with the e-drill, and then now I'm hand filing with the 80 grit file. That's my favorite one. I'm just getting the shape right. So again, I don't try to make it perfect while I'm drilling. I do get the shape how I want it after hand filing. So I'm going through the sides, the shape, and the tip to make sure it's square. All the supplies, I got some from a local nail supply store. The 2 packs I got from the nail supply store, and then see, that was the matching set there. And the Hello Kitty is from Amazon. The molds that I used to make the ones in the middle on the triangle plate are from Amazon. That nail plate is from Amazon. I actually hand painted those, and at the end I show you how, like, basically the process if you don't want to hand paint them, to mix it in. And I got that from Val. She showed how to do that in a previous video. But I've had the mold since the very beginning because that was what I wanted to go for in the first place. I think I have some pictures of my first set that I tried on my mannequin hand. If the next video, maybe I'll include it just to show it. But again, I am creating a custom purple color just to experiment. This was more so just a fun nail set to do, to wear for another day. That happens every once in a while. So for these, like I said, I'm mixing and I'm adding base coat. After filing and dusting it off, I add a thin layer of base coat so the polish is thick. If I don't add base coat, the nail polish slides right off or chips right off. So yeah, thin layer base coat, and then adding 2 layers of the purple polish that I made. I showed the names of the polishes in the video. If you didn't catch it, just go ahead and ask me in the comments. But again, I'm adding 2 layers of that polish. So I switched the color up a little bit just to like, again, experiment, and I love it. I end up loving the nails that I freestyle the most. When I replicate, like, I'm happy with them, I'm satisfied with them, but the ones I love the most are the ones that I freestyle, and I end up with something beautiful on accident. Going in with the Macart rhinestone glue. I think for the next ones, I'm going to try adding the glossy top coat and then adding the rhinestone glue on top for a change. I don't know. So for the layout of the 3D charms, I didn't want to cover the full nail. In the previous video, I showed me scrolling through Pinterest and looking at my old inspiration for nails for myself, not for me to make, for me to get them done. And like I said before, they were a hassle. I feel like I've heard this before, but it's the truth. It was hard to find a nail tech to do these things and who also didn't take so long. So I looked at some old pictures from 2018, 2019, and there was times where she did really good, and then there was times where she failed, but I still liked it because I couldn't get it anywhere else. And then when I was in high school, extra nails was just bling. There were no 3D charms. There was no nail art. None of that. It was just like bling and some razzle dazzle. I don't know how to describe it. It wasn't too much, but I still did it. I always wanted extra. I always paid to have all 10 of my nails done. Like, that's just me. So for me to be able to do this, the money that I spend, the supplies I buy, for me to make multiple nail sets, I'm saving money. Just like with wigs, I'm saving money because I used to do my hair every 2 weeks. So it's like I just wash the wigs and curl it, or put on a different one and wash it and straighten it, or something like that. So it's just, I do this anyway. I love it. I want to share it. I would like to grow my customer base. I would hope that somebody sees it and they want to pair from me, because they're not going to sit there and do it. It takes time. It takes, depending on the set, 1.5 is the shortest. It'll take like an hour and a half to up to like 4 hours. I would say 4 hours is the longest. I'm pretty sure I'll get it down. I haven't gone longer than that, and that was because I would get tired of doing it. Even if I split it up, I would want to do another set. So nails is not the only thing that I do. I do have a different job. I run a house, so husband, kids, all that stuff. So nails is like something I would like to take more serious, but it's not something that I do full time. It's a part-time thing right now. Um, my happy my happy dance for the top coat, and I was a little extra right there because my husband was looking at me like I lost my mind. He was walking by at that time. But yes, the top coat releases the dopamine for me. Love to see it at the end. Love the end result. Like, it's just the best feeling of me finishing some nails, and I get better and better, and like, the sky is really the freaking limit. You're gonna see the end result. I'll show how they look outside. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please let me know if there's anything you want to see, or just chit chat with me. Stay tuned for the next one, and you have a great night, day, or weekend.